Everybody. One of the things that I have found in through this project that I'm working on, especially now with the drawers and the drawer fronts, is that I've been using plywood that I've had laying around for quite a while that are offcuts from previous projects that are scraps. Some of them I've had for years, but the thing that I'm running into now in terms of trying to make the drawer fronts is that I've got this nice pre-finished, I think it's an elm species laminate on here, but I didn't have any edge banding left for it, and I really wanted to cover the edges of this. So one of the things that I thought about is using scraps of this same plywood, scoring them with my table saw, and running them through my bandsaw to cut off the little pieces of veneer, which lead me with these strips that I can now finish the edges with. Let me show you how it's done. So now what I have here are a little bit over width, which is what I wanted. Perfect strips for my edge banding.